Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead. And this morning we did get off to a bit of a foggy start. But you can see that fog burning off as we worked our way through the middle part of the morning, giving way to a sunny sky this afternoon. And it looks like our dry weather pattern is going to continue. And we also will see a very large warming trend as we head towards Christmas weekend. Here's a look at the overall pattern. You can see the disturbance that we were watching yesterday. It has moved well to the east of the Arctic, and in its wake, this northwesterly flow has dried our atmosphere out, and now we're going to be watching this upper level ridge still off the west coast of Mexico. It is eventually going to end up in the Gulf of Mexico, and when that happens, we will see temperatures that will be in the neighborhood of records as we head into Christmas weekend. Here's a look at the next few days here with Robin's Toyota FUTURECAST, and you can see that tonight we likely will stay mostly clear across the area. Tomorrow, look for lots of sunshine, and as that wind becomes more southeasterly, we will see the warming trend continue tomorrow with above normal temperatures in the 60s. Tomorrow night, we stay mostly clear over most of the area. And then Thursday, we will see moisture begin to return from the Gulf of Mexico. So expect some clouds to mix in with the sunshine as we'll see a breezy south wind at around 10 to 15 miles per hour for Thursday. Those clouds will stick around Thursday night, partly cloudy, and we'll see the mix of clouds and sunshine as we head towards Christmas. Now, in the week ahead, you can see that upper level ridge. It's going to be the main player in our weather here, and as it moves to the west, you can see by the time we get to Saturday night, Sunday morning, we will see the center of the ridge over the central Gulf of Mexico. This is when we will likely see some of our warmest temperatures, probably Saturday, Christmas Day, Sunday, and possibly Monday. That ridge will continue to march towards the east. You can see it centered off the coast of Florida by Wednesday. And with this southwesterly flow setting up, it's going to allow the chance of rain to return for the last half of next week. The big question is just how far north will this ridge extend? Moving into the end of the week, you can see the chance for the shower or thunderstorm will continue as little bitty disturbances move along this west to southwesterly flow. Don't expect much rain, however, as models show that if we do see rain, it's going to be heaviest over the northern half of the Arctic, and even there, half an inch to an inch is what you might expect from Texarkana northward. Farther away from that ridge, further to the south, amounts will probably be less than a half an inch from now through the rest of the year, the way it checks out right now. So here's a look at your forecast for tonight. We're going to be looking at a clear sky. Another cold night on the way tonight as we'll see temperatures that will fall into the low to middle 30s north to the mid 30s south. 36 tonight in Shreveport, 34 in Texarkana, 30 degrees in DeQueen. Tomorrow, nice warm up despite that chilly start, as it will be a bit warmer than today. We'll see highs in the low to middle 60s, right around 60 in Texarkana, 64 in Shreveport, 65 in Marshall, and 66 for the daytime high tomorrow in Center. It does still look like we will see 70s for highs as soon as Thursday, as your 10-day forecast shows that temperatures will be warming up to 73 Thursday, close to 80 for Christmas Eve. It now looks like low 80s for Christmas Day. Some models even showing middle 80s a possibility thanks to the southwesterly wind that is going to stick around. So as a result, temperatures will probably stay close to 80 into the middle of next week for daytime highs. Nighttime lows will kind of settle into the low to middle 60s. There's that chance of rain sometime late next week, perhaps highest New Year's Eve and New Year's Day of next week, although models are still split on the extent of any rainfall chances. So all in all, looks like mainly dry and warmer the theme as we head towards Christmas weekend.